Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's pick this edit icon and tap on the profile picture in the circle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo, and if you're happy with your choice, tap on the confirmation mark. And as you can see from this step, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with positioning, etc., just tap on this confirmation mark again, and as you can see the photo will appear in the circle. So let's tap on the tick icon again. And here we just saved our contact, so this is how it will look like with the photo applied. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list right here, or for example during the incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.